welcome back. Have you heard the news? Buffalo Trace has changed it to a cork for Weller Special Reserve. So is it something where they're just kind of standardizing the bottles? So you use same cork, same bottles? Or did they really actually change the juice in here? I don't know. Let's check it out. Let's pop both these and find out. So Buffalo Trace, right? Wheated bourbon whiskey. It's sweet. It's good. It's 90 proofer. It's also like 25 bucks MSRP, if you can find it for that. Let's pour some and we'll taste them. So this just started showing up this past week with the new cork. So I don't know, there's a lot of talk. Is this just, are they trying to, hey, great cork pop, by the way. Love that. Are they trying to do FOMO, right? Like, oh my God, I got to go buy the new one. It's got to be better. Is this more of a, screw cap does look a little cheap, right? Is it more of like, this is a budget bottom shelfer. Now look, it's now a top shelfer like these others. I don't know. I personally think it's probably just a cost thing, right? I mean, a lot of distilleries are having trouble. If I could standardize my bottles, standardize the corks, you can clearly see the bottles are different. They're both 750 milliliters, both 90 proof, non-age stated, Kentucky Straight Bourbon whiskey. So it's got to be 4 years old unless they mark it on here. It's not, but let's check it out. Exact same nose. You get vanilla, kind of like a honeysuckle. I always get like a honeysuckle, get a little caramel. Just real sweet. To me, it always reminds me of spring, summer kind of thing, kind of vibe. Yeah, really sweet nose. Same nose. I don't tell any difference on the nose. Let's give it a taste and find out. Smooth, sweet. Being a wheated bourbon whiskey, right? It's a little softer, really soft on the palate. There's no burn or anything like that, right? It's nice and smooth. It's good. You get the vanilla caramel, you get the honeysuckle. That's about it. There's not a whole lot to the palate on this one. I mean, it's like a $25 MSRP whiskey, right? Goes for a lot more on secondary, but let's try the new one, the new special one, right? It's the same. It's the same juice. You get the same vanilla, honeysuckle, caramel. Yeah, that's about it. Really short finish. It's good. It's sweet. I mean, some of my buddies swear buy it in an old fashioned. If you can find it, buy it. It's always a buy. They are good, really good bottles. But yeah, there's really no difference. There you go. Hey, hit that like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time for Whiskey.